Greetings everyone and welcome to another episode Road to be proficient in Python. In today's challenge we have loops. And the task for today is to read the number integer n, and for all non-negative integers print I power in 2. Let's say we have 0, 1 and 2. We will print 0, 1, 4 in different and separate lines. So we have a constraint here. Let's go straight to the challenge. So for I in range, and here we'll put 3. The first 3 arguments. The first one is the start, the second is the stop, and the next one is the step. So because we need to go backwards, we'll put 5 at the start, 0 at the end, and we'll go -1 step every time. With that, and now print I power 2. And I think that was it. So let's run our code. So we don't go backwards. Sorry. 0, 5, and we don't need that. We can put a 1, but it's not necessary because the default is 1. So if you run right now the code, yep, now it works. And if we submit it, oh, fails. Because we have a constraint. Sorry, I forgot the constraint, guys. I went so quickly this time. Excuse me. So here we have the for loop. Here we have the constraints will be if n greater than equal than 1 and n less equal than 3. Do that. So now if we run our code again, do that, break something, yeah, and then submit. Oh yeah, really think that for me it's until n, not until 5. 5 was run again. Read. Yeah, now we are good. That was a challenge. I hope you like it, and make sure that you hit the like button, and see you in the next one.